Hi, it's Kevin Fleming from Playa Mariana, and you're here with me on site, and I am doing an inspection today. It's February 14th. They've been working on the fencing, trying to chase out all of the animals. Remember in the last videos I was showing you how some of these fencing was deteriorated and the animals were getting through? And we almost got them all out, but they have started really well on the fencing all the way down to the entrance over there. And you can see it's all brand new posts, all brand new wire on both sides of the road. And this is why we do it. This is why you pay HOA fees. This is why you need security. That's because there's a lot of animals that just roam freely, just like you see right now. And so if we didn't have the fence here, they would just be roaming onto the land. So that's why we invest money. That's why you pay HOA fees. That's why it's important to maintain security. And that's why when I tell everybody that we have the best lands in Nicaragua, it's because we protect it and we're doing what I can to continue it. So you see how there's 4 lines of wire over here? Maybe you can see that, it's kind of sunny. And we got to buy some more. We ran out of wire. It's Saturday today, so we got to buy some more wire. But you can see all the new posts that are here on site. And we'll continue to put wires. That's why they put 4, so nobody sneaks under. And we've gone through and we've done 2 kilometers now of fence repair. Remember I was taking you down this the other day and it was all like deteriorated and looking terrible. And now I'm walking straight ahead to where that security fence is over there. That's our security family on site. I know you've seen all those videos. And behind me is my driver, Howard and Carlos in the car. Everybody gets to enjoy air conditioning. I walk outside in the sun. Look at the sky, everybody. Isn't that amazing? I don't know where you are in the world right now, but it's February 14th. It's one of the amazing times of the year. And so here, look, here's a perfect example why we fix fences. You can see here, okay, these are new poles that are going in, but we got to bring in the wire. And before all the garbage stuff, you can see how thin this stuff was. That's what was there before. And now we have new stuff and they've dug down. Now I showed you in previous videos how they dig down by hand. And so there's still some animals in here. That's because we don't have a fence there yet. But by the end of next week, all this fencing will be done. So as we continue along the road, everything on the left side will be the same as the right side. And to put things to scale, okay, from the edge of the property where we were to more or less where I'm going is about 3/4 of a kilometer. So, you know, close to 2 kilometers of fencing on both sides is what's being repaired. And there's so much land down there. I mean, you guys don't understand. That's that kind of secret preserve area by the river that is just really, really amazing. I love that spot. And that's new for me. I haven't spent much time down there, but I'm definitely going to go down there today, I think, and take another video. But I'm walking straight right into the area where our security house is and doing the inspection today of how far they made with the fencing. So you can see we completed it on one side, all these new poles that got rid of all this extra stuff along the road. And here you can see some of the stuff that was there before. It's kind of like double wire now. So over here, that's some of the old wire that's there and the old post. And to make everything look clean and to do it right, we extended the fence to another meter so we can make it clean and looking great. And so the fencing will continue all the way here and we'll go all the way down. You guys ready? Hola! It'll go all the way down there to the river, okay? How far do you think that is? Okay, it's far. It's probably like 3/4 of a kilometer. It's far. And so we have to fence off all this stuff. You see all this? It's not fenced right now, okay? So this is a potential liability. So this is just part of maintaining land and cleaning things, and we'll continue to do that always. In fact, you know what's interesting? I remember there's a spot over here, which is the spot on the road on the master plan. We have to do all kinds of construction back in the day, and yeah, it's right here. So this area here is kind of like where the road is on the master plan, and then it cuts across all the way up there. And that's a very interesting spot for another video on another day and another story. But that's the main boulevard road when you come into the project. So the main boulevard kind of comes across the river and then goes across to the land to the right. But step by step, day by day, little by little, we keep making progress, and we'll continue to make progress here at Playa Mariana.